The door panel, window motor, door carrier, and door glass, red arrows, all need to be removed to replace the window regulator. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. With all that done, reach up inside the inner door panel and unclip the top cable. The red arrow indicates the position of the clip. Remove the two door plugs under the regulator arms. There are 4 plugs on the underside of the door. Make sure you remove the right plugs, red arrow. The rear plug is shown. Remove the 4 10mm nuts holding the regulator to the door, indicated by the red arrows. Fold the regulator together and remove it from the door cavity. Make sure the stop on the regulator arm is set on the bottom notch and indicated by the red arrow for your 997. If the stop is set in one of the upper notches, blue arrows, move it to the lowest notch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to clip the regulator into the door carrier when installing. You will need to reinitialize the windows when installed. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.